Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sean, the average angler, and we got a good one for you today. Not the most exciting, but very important. I'm going to show you how to tie the FG knot using a tool called the Knot Assist. It makes it much easier, especially in the boat, where you don't have something to hold your rod and line taut. So follow along. We're going to show you how to do it. All right, here we go. Take two. So I didn't leave myself enough leader material on the last one. So get your braid, leave a little off the end of that tag end, because we'll need that later. Wrap it around and then clip it in. There's a clip on the back. Okay, same thing on this side. Wrap it around, clip it in. That holds it nice and tight. I just noticed something. Go around the outside. It'll give you a little more room to work with. All right, there we go. Now we just need some little leader material. And the leader material goes in the top one here. Same thing. Wrap it around there. Clip it in to hold it tight. Lay it across that braid right here where I'm pinching. Then we're going to start wrapping. Go under, over the top. Under, over the top. And we're going to do this 10 to 12 wraps per side. Some people do it less, some people do it more. I tend to like 10 to 12. Or when I have about 1.25 inches length with this pound test. Now the length of the knot will probably change depending on the line you're using, the thickness of the line. And then every 2 loops, so every time I get to this side here now, go under, bring it over, I want to pull that taut. Okay, that's going to keep the integrity of my knot going. Those loops are all tight. We're going to have a really, really good knot. And I'll tell you, big fingers are not always good when tying knots. But this does make it a lot easier than using the rod and trying to get tension on it, especially if you're in the boat. You don't have somewhere to prop that rod up and hold it steady. And then in the boat, I usually tie a knot in the end of the braid and hold it in my teeth. So this is way better. It still is not the fastest knot, but if you go and watch some knot strength tests, the FG knot, as far as every video I've watched, is way beyond the other ones. So that said, I think it's worth it to take the time and tie a good FG knot. Just about done here. I'm really not counting. So what I'm doing is just looking at the length of the knot. And just from experience, I know, what length my knot normally is on this. And I probably do a little extra just because I don't want to deal with the slip. It never fails. It's a big fish when your line fails or your knot fails. So Had that happen enough times. Don't want to give the fish any advantage on things that I can control. We're going to one more per side. 1, 2. All right. Now we're going to take that fluorocarbon and we're going to make a simple half hitch here just to lock that in. Okay, pull it taut there, and there we go. We've got ourselves a little FG knot started. Okay, we're not done. So now we're going to loosen the tag in. Whoops, not the tag in, sorry. Well, we are going to loosen the tag in. Okay, we're going to take that out of there. Then we're going to do the fluorocarbon. And we're going to wrap it back around this one. Lock that in there. So we can finish this knot off. And what I normally do is I just tie a few half hitches over the braid and that fluorocarbon to lock that in there. Now the smarter way to do this would have been to hook the fluorocarbon in there with the braid to hold it in place. But it works this way too. All right. Pull it taut there. With these new handy dandy scissors that I got from the same place. And usually on my braid, I'll leave a little 1/4 inch tag there. Okay, it doesn't hinder going through the guides, and you'll see just a little tag there. That won't hinder it going through the guides. It'll still go through the guides just fine. Test our knot. And that's a good knot. Good FG knot right there. And if you want to look, pretty small knot. Go through the guides really, really well. And it's plenty strong. Where'd that freaking line come from? There we go. Okay. Quick, easy FG knot. I got this. It's a line tying assist. I got this on AliExpress. They have them on Amazon too. They're about $8 or $9. At least that's what they are on AliExpress. And they fold up like so. Okay? See, they're small. Good for storage in the boat. Hey, good to see you guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this helps you out. I personally, this is great for me. Okay, it's like having an extra set of hands, and just, I mean, the knot's flawless. That's probably one of the smallest FG knots I've tied, and this is bigger braid than I use. This is 20-pound braid, bigger and thicker than what I use most of the time on a spinning rod. Will it focus better with my black shirt? I don't know. Anyway, the knot's really tight. really small, and really strong, as you can see. Sean, the Average Angler, thanks for watching the video today. Like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.